Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we take the guesswork out of your shopping. Today, we're diving into the world of drones with a face-off between the SYMA drone and the Ford DRC-V4 mini foldable drone. On your left, we have the SYMA drone, stable, sleek, and ready to capture your best angles. On your right, the Ford DRC-V4 mini foldable drone, compact, versatile, and perfect for those who love to fly under the radar. Buckle up, folks, because this is going to be a high-flying showdown. First up, let's talk about the cameras. The SYMA drone boasts a 1080p HD camera with FPV real-time Wi-Fi transmission. Imagine capturing stunning aerial shots and making your Instagram followers green with envy. Meanwhile, the Ford DRC-V4 Mini also sports a 1080p camera, but with an electric adjustable angle of up to 90 degrees. So if you want to snoop on your neighbors without being obvious, just kidding, don't do that. This drone has you covered. Reviewers appreciate the SYMA drone's camera quality, especially for beginners and young pilots. On the other hand, the Ford DRC-V4 Mini's camera is praised for its adjustable angle, though some users found it lacking in durability. Honestly, both cameras are like the Kardashians of the drone world, always ready for a close-up. But the Ford DRC's adjustable angle gives it a slight edge. Who doesn't want a drone that can do yoga poses? Next, let's talk battery life. The SYMA drone comes with two powerful batteries, giving you up to 40 minutes of fly time. That's enough time to narrate your own wildlife documentary. On the flip side, the Ford DRC-V4 Mini offers 26 minutes with its two modular batteries. Sure, it's shorter, but it's like a power nap. Quick and effective. Reviewers highlight the SYMA drone's extended battery life as a major plus, making it ideal for longer sessions. However, they also mention that recharging can be cumbersome. The Ford DRC-V4 Mini is noted for its decent battery life, but some users found it less durable over time. If you're the kind of person who needs more time in the air, SYMA is your go-to. But if you're into quick, exhilarating bursts of flight, the Ford DRC-V4 Mini is your little rocket. Now, let's see which one is more user-friendly. The SYMA drone comes with headless mode, altitude mode, and one key takeoff and landing. It's like the drone equivalent of having a personal butler. The Ford DRC-V4 Mini, on the other hand, has multiple functions like 3D flips, gravity control, and even VR mode. It's basically a Swiss Army knife in the sky. Reviewers found the SYMA drone to be user-friendly and suitable for both beginners and more advanced pilots. The Ford DRC-V4 Mini is also noted for its ease of use, but some users mentioned it can be tricky to steer indoors. If you're a newbie, both drones are beginner-friendly. But if you want to impress your friends with some aerial acrobatics, the Ford DRC-V4 Mini is your best bet. Just don't try those flips after a heavy meal. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty price. The SYMA drone will set you back $99. Not bad for a flying camera that makes you feel like a secret agent. The Ford DRC-V4 Mini is a bit cheaper at $89. So if you're on a budget but still want to feel like Tony Stark, the Ford DRC is calling your name. Reviewers generally feel that both drones offer good value for money, though the Ford DRC-V4 Mini's lower price point makes it slightly more attractive for budget-conscious buyers. $10 might not seem like a lot, but hey, that's a couple of fancy lattes or a quarter tank of gas these days. Overall, both the SYMA drone and the Ford DRC-V4 mini foldable drone have received positive reviews. The SYMA drone is praised for its reliability, camera quality, and extended battery life, making it a solid choice for both beginners and more experienced users. The Ford DRC-V4 Mini is appreciated for its flexibility, ease of use, and affordability, though some reviewers noted concerns about its durability. So which drone takes the crown? If you want longer flight times and a stable camera, go with the SYMA drone. But if you're looking for versatility, portability, and a bit more bang for your buck, the 4DR CV4 mini foldable drone is your winner. Either way, you're getting a fantastic drone that'll make you the envy of your neighborhood. Remember folks, fly smart and always buy smart. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another epic showdown. See you in the next video. Product links are in the description.